As rightly said, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. Namaste. I am Sanvi Kanambirkar from Sagar Public School.
And I am Sukirti Dwivedi from St. Joseph's Co-ed School. Title of our model is Jal Apurti, an IoT-based water management and monitoring system.
Pradhan Mantri Jal Jeevan Mission, with the motto Har Ghar Jal, aims to provide drinking water to every rural household by 2024. And to assist this mission, our project helps to provide water as a resource on a national level. Mismanaged water management as a whole is the greatest challenge. Thus, a need was felt for an effective water management to make PM Modi's dream project come true. Hence, we provide a practical solution for this problem. We have designed an intelligent electronic hardware which collects and evaluates water data and posts it on the cloud server. Let's have a look on our device.
This is the main processor ESP32, which takes signals from the following sensors, like the ultrasonic sensor, which measures the water columns of the tube wells and wells. This EC and pH sensor, which measures the quality of the water, and this GPS sensor, which provides us the geolocation of the water source. We've also used this LCD to provide us the parameters live on its screen. This ESP32 also posts the data over the ThingSpeak platform through its Wi-Fi connectivity. This is a solar charged controller for battery which provides us power to our device. We've also used IP65 weatherproof enclosure to protect the device from harsh terrain. Now we are going to test our device. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It is measuring the water column. Here it is the pH sensor, which is measuring EC, pH and TDS. Here we have the GPS sensor, which is telling us the geolocation. All of this data is also being displayed on this LCD as well as being displayed on the ThingSpeak platform through internet connectivity.
Here we have our channel Jal Apurti on ThingSpeak platform. The field 1 chart shows us the depth column. Likewise, it shows the pH value, TDS value, suspended particles as well as the geolocation.
By getting the data on the central server, we can monitor and take actions on overexploitation of water resources, plan for water body recharge, as well as monitor the water quality levels. The first prototype cost us ₹8,000 and we hope that the prices will be as low as 5,000 in bulk production. We sincerely hope that our project will be the perfect candidate for Startup India. Ministry of Water Resources and Jal Jeevan Mission will be greatly benefited by implementing our project on practical level.
We sincerely thank LN City Hackathon Club for providing us this opportunity.